Hey y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I'm new to YouTube. I just started my YouTube channel about, I want to say, excuse me, what the hell? Anyway, I just started my YouTube channel about 2 months ago. Yeah, because I've been inspired by, American pickers and all these picker stuff. They pick the back roads and they pick the country and they pick, in the country, in the back roads. And I just want y'all to know, this name of my show, Pickin' in the Hood. Why? Because we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, I just want everybody to know we pick in the hood too. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I sold like probably about 5 or 6 things yesterday, and I sold, for the last 2 days, I probably sold about 12. And I just wanted to tell y'all what I sold and maybe give somebody some pointers on, because I've been with eBay probably since 2002, and I sell video games and stuff, and just earlier last year, I started selling everything. Anything that ain't nailed down that I can find in the hood, I'm selling. You know what I'm saying? And but anyway, so I just want to tell you what I sold. A little while ago, I bought some polo shirts and some sweaters from the bins, brand new. They had Nissan stitching on it, so I guess they came from a Nissan dealer or something, dealership. Anyway, I bought all of them. So the other day I sold one. Then today I sold 2. So I sold 3 XXX Nissan shirts. Now I put them on there for $12 a piece. They made out of some dry fit material, not no name brand company, but some dry fit material. That's what they made out of. So I sold 2 today and 1 this weekend. I sold a couple of them knife sharpeners that I had on the other day. Yeah, them knife sharpeners. Woo, you guys missing out on them. 3 swipes, boy, this baby cut through anything. You know what I'm saying? So I sold a couple of those, $17 a piece, plus shipping. Let me see what else I sold. I sold a video game, brand new GameCube video game. I sold some sunglass cases, because you guys know I sell sunglass cases now. I buy them for $1, and I get anywhere between $9 and $20 for them. So I sold some Prada sunglass cases this week, and I sold I can't think of the name of that other one, Silhouette, or something like that. That's why I sold that one for $12.99. I sold that Prada for $16.99. I sold 2 coffee mugs, $12 a piece. The same customer, same buyer bought 2 of them. They were McDonald Douglas, not McDonald Douglas. McDonald Douglas is not around no more. They were Boeing coffee mugs. They were like dark blue, probably a cobalt blue, and they were real nice coffee mugs. Sold for $12.95 a piece. Same customer bought it from California. Let me see what else I sold. I sold several things. I can't think of it right now. The other day, I go sometime. I do like an arbitrage at when I go to like Walmart or Target or somewhere like that. The other day, when I go in there, I look for makeup, Maybelline. What's the other one? It's another name brand I look for in there. So the other day I walked into Walmart, and they had a whole lot of lipstick on sale for $1. Maybelline lipstick for $1. So I'm picking through them. I bought all of them. While I'm picking through them, I'm looking them up to see if they're selling anything on eBay. Most of them were selling for $6 up to like $6 up to like $17, $18. So I got that on there, shipping $2, and I just sold. As soon as I put them on there, for like 3 or 4 of them sold. I had 2 of them. I got a couple of them that's the same. So I had 2 of them that was rare. It even said when I looked them up, it said rare, and I couldn't find them nowhere. It was like a couple of them sold, but I couldn't find them on eBay nowhere. So that's how I knew they was rare. Called Naked or something, Naked Lips or something, whatever it is. All of them got special names. But anyway, so I sold 2 of them. They were $16.95 a piece, plus $2 shipping. Because you guys know, I try to put some shipping in there, like $2. Sometimes I ask for $3, so they can help me out on shipping. So if I get something low like that, like I sold one that was $6.95. If I wouldn't have put the $2 shipping on there, I would have to pay like $2 and something for shipping. I paid $1 for it, so I would have made like $2 or something off that deal. So now that they paid $2, I can make a little bit more money. You know, I can make like $4. So instead of $2. So, but anyway, so I try to do that. Let me see what else sold. I can't remember what else sold. Next time I'm trying to write this stuff down. But I walked in this one thrift store. I'm gonna start taping this stuff because you guys just don't know how excited I be when I see this stuff. I walked in one thrift store, and there was 3 bets in there. 3 bets in there that were worth $50 up to $75. I paid $3 a piece for them. 3 of them all together. I guess the same, because they were the same size. So I guess the same person, you know, donated them or whatever. But I got them on there. I walked in one thrift store, and I found tennis rackets. You know, I buy tennis rackets after I look them up. I don't buy them if they're not selling for like over $12 or something like that. I'm not buying them. You know, because it's not worth packing them and stuff like that, even though you charge $8 for shipping. I might start doing it, but anyway, I found some that was like $50, $60, $70. Tennis rackets, I paid $3 for them. They had the covers and everything, brand new. Nobody even looked like they played with them. So I got them on there now. I sold a whole lot of stuff I can't think of right now. I told you I'm new at this, and I wasn't prepared. You know what I'm saying? So you guys got to excuse me. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, sorry. I just wanted to make this video let you guys know that I sold some of them knife sharpeners. And I'm not selling as many as I thought I was going to sell. You know, I might drop the price down to 15 instead of 17, you know, to make them move more faster. But, you know, the knife sharpeners are, oh my God. You guys need to watch that video that I made when I sharpened some knives, because I buy knives too at Goodwill. I don't sell them. I buy them because they're 50 cents a piece. And if I see a nice heavy knife, I buy it. Let me see what door I'm supposed to go to. Door 12. So, but anyway, so I sharpened those knives because when I get them, they be dull as hell. So I sharpened those knives, and you can watch the video and see how before I sharpened them, I put it on some cardboard, and I tried to cut the cardboard, it wouldn't cut. So when I sharpened them 3 times, yeah, let me show you one. I got it with me because I got some more knives I need to sharpen. Hold on a minute, y'all. I got some more knives I need to sharpen, and I brought one with me, the one I use all the time. If I can find it. The hell happened? There it is. Anyway, this is a different one. I use like a charcoal gray. This is a silver one. I grabbed the wrong one. But look, this it right here. This it right here. So if you guys see this, and I got a deal. So if you watch that video and you put in the comments that you watched that video and you subscribe, I'll sell it to you for $12. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta watch the video and you gotta subscribe to get that $12 deal. But go ahead and watch that video and tell me what you think. It was nice. So So if you watch that video and you make a comment on either on YouTube or you go to my when you buy it, you make a comment on eBay. My eBay page is McPike69. That's my store. And while you're in there, look at other stuff too. But anyway, if you say you watch my video and you subscribe, I give you a discount on some stuff. Anything you see on there, I give you a discount. But these especially, I give you like $5 off of these. So I picked the wrong one up. This still got the tag on it. See that dollar? See that dollar? I paid $1 for that. But anyway, I got a whole box, 52 of them. So anyway, you guys take it easy. Have a good day. And just remember, when you see picking, you see American Pickers, and you see all the rest of them picking shows, just remember, we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace. I forgot to tell y'all. Woo, I almost forgot. Let me shake my beard up a little bit. I almost forgot. Give them thumbs up. If you like my video, thumbs down if you don't like it. Subscribe. Leave a message saying you didn't like it. Maybe I could improve it, make it a little better. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, as it goes, thumbs up. Yeah, I like it. Thumbs down. No, you suck. But make a comment and tell me why I suck. You know what I'm saying? And I'll try to improve and try to make these videos better. That's all I can do. I'm new. So, this is only my 15, 16, 17 video or something like that. So, but anyway, thumbs up. Subscribe. Yeah, picking in the hood, cause we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace.